In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable sound alerts for polls on Axiom. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom Pro account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check that out. You will not regret it. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins. It's packed with a lot of different premium features that are completely for free, such as an amazing Twitter tracker, a wallet tracker, they have a P&L tracker as well as an amazing reward system which just gives you Solana back for trading, which is crazy. They also have a bunch of different filters. You can select presets and make them your own as well. You can change fees, and they also have a turbo mode which will make for faster fills and transactions, etc. So again, link down below. Make sure you check it out. You won't regret it. Now, to enable sound alerts for polls, this has actually been a new update over here. You want to go to polls up top, and then over here you can see the new pairs, final stretches, and migrated coins. And then here at the top you can now see a new button which says alerts. Simply click on alerts, and over here it says sound alerts. Play sound alerts for tokens in polls. You can just enable this, and there we go. This will give you basically a few options. So you can select the volume and adjust it over here. So you can go from 0 to 100 by either selecting this and typing it in here, or just by using this slider over here. Now, you can also select which thing you would like to play for new pairs, for pair migrating, and for migrated coins. So of course, every single one is going to be possible. And now over here, I'm going to just do this to mute so you won't hear this beeping anymore. Now, new pairs, you can of course select the default sound. You can do the ka-ching, which is going to be, let me show you what it sounds like. This one, there we go. You can select it to off, so you can just keep it off, or you can add a custom one where you'll have to basically have a sound over here, and this sound will have to be minimum 5 seconds and 0.2 megabytes of file size. Excuse me, maximum 5 seconds, okay? So you can just set this, you can reset it back to normal over here, or you can of course keep this off in case you don't like it. So that's pretty much it. That's how to enable the new sound alerts. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.